Hello, my name is Meinir Mathias and I'm here in the National Library of Wales in Aberystwyth. I'm really pleased to have a piece of work in the exhibition Casglu Collecting, which is in the Oriel Gregynog. The painting is a portrait of the Davies sisters. It's really important that women in our history are celebrated, and the Davies sisters gave a fantastic gift to the nation, which is the national collection of artworks, including work by some of the greats such as Monet, Turner, Augustus John Gwenjon and so on. The painting has been reimagined and it portrays the sisters in their youth, and in the backdrop you see a painting from their collection by Meinir, the peasant family. So I'm really pleased to be here and to be a part of this fantastic collection at the National Library.